Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Jeep Liberty and I will show you the fuel pump fuse location. This video will apply to Jeep Liberties made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Fuel pump fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. Right here. To leave the cover you have two black tabs, both on this side. You want to press each of them and lift up. Also on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this yellow piece right here, this is the fuse remover which you can use to check any of the fuses. And the fuel pump fuse, it's a fuse number M25, which is a 20 MPL fuse located right here. And this is the first thing you should be checking in case your car is not starting and you believe you have problems with the fuel pump. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.